Hello everyone, welcome to Rai Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region English Medium School. Standard 5th, a subject is EVS First, chapter number 17, Clothes are Necessity, video number 27. So let's see. We obtain information about the textile industry centers by asking the questions given above. Now let us see examples of the textiles that are the specialities of Maharashtra like the Paithani of Paitan and Yevla. Himru shawls from Aurangabad, bed sheets and bedspreads from Solapur. Handloom and powerloom clothes from Ichalkaranji, etc. You will understand this better from the map of the next page. To the index of the map, add the textile industry that you know of but are not shown here. Mark them at the appropriate places on the map. You can see this map on your textbook, page number 85. In the index, we can see from a cloth from Isilkaranji is shown with the sign. All these shown with the sign. See here. That sign you can shown in the Kolhapur. Then second sign of bed sheets from Solapur. Same sign you can see in the Solapur district. Next, green color sign Himru shawl. You can see that sign in the Aurangabad. Next, Yevla sari. Yevla sari, that sign you can see in the Nashik district. Next, Paithani of Paitan. Same sign you can see pink color sign in the Aurangabad. So in this way, map tells us the important textile industries. So Lucknow chicken, Kashmir silk, Banarsi silk, Kadiyal, Pitambari, Pochampally, Narayanpet, Kanjivaram, Patola and Mysore silk are some types of saris. These saris from different parts of India showcase the diversity of country. So, to find out more about the different varieties of clothes, visit a clothes market with your parents and discuss the point given below with the people there and make a notes. So first one, look at the variety of clothes and make a list of their names. Which of these clothes are meant only for the children, for adult or for aged people? Aged people. Find out about the various types of saris. Fourth one, note down the names of places famous for their saris. Fifth one, spot the names of places, regions in the names of the saris and mark those places, regions on the map given above. So thus, we know that a variety of fabric and customs have come into use due to the diverse climate conditions in different parts of the countries. With better transport facilities, they have become available in all places. This diversity in clothes is a part of the diversity in our country. So, try this, children. Talk to the elderly people in your family or locality to obtain this information. So, what clothes did they wear during their childhood? Make a list of the clothes they name. Then take the list of the cloth garment shop and see which of the clothes in your list are available there. Then find out which of the clothes are not worn anymore. Then find out the places where these clothes used to come from. Find out why these clothes went out of use. So find out if there have been changes in clothing due to the tradition and in the course of time. So during the evolution of man, his body went through many changes. One of the changes was the reduction in the amount of body hair. As a result, he began to need protection from the elements in certain weather conditions. Thus arose the need for clothes. Here you can see the picture. So in this way our clothing changed with the time. So we can see a variety in the clothes used through the ages. In prehistoric times, man did not wear clothes. Later he began using and bark and leaves of trees. After that, he began to hunt and use the skin of the animals he had killed. After he learned to make yarn from materials like cotton wool, he began to use cotton cloth in a variety of ways. Then you will see this progression in the picture given below. So nature has given us enough to fulfill everyone's need. However, nature cannot quench man's greed. Man just give priority to his needs and not desires. Only then will nature be able to take care of us all. Say then, do you know, children? Mumbai was famous worldwide for its textile mills. The humid weather on the island facilities, the manufacture of long thread for making cloth. That is why Mumbai became a big center for the textile industry. The flourishing cloth industry attracted workers from all over the country who came and settled here. From then on, Mumbai became an important hub for financial activity in India. Here you can see the picture also. So just use your brain power, children. The clothes worn in different regions of the country are different depending on the local climate. Here you can see the picture. Collect pictures from the traditional clothes worn in the Jammu and Kashmir, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and Kerala. Then you can discuss the climate of those areas based on the picture. Thank you.